Now this truly was a day worth remembering with Dale and with Turbo Steve, and we found a very interesting, well, an interesting place to visit on our ride up in the Hibernia area. Well, this is probably the first real day that I can honestly say spring is in the air. Wow, what a beautiful day. Now Dale picked this day out. He's going to stop by and we're going to head up to the Hibernia, Picatinny area.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, that came out beautiful. Wow, that is so nice. Wow. But this is a real, this is the real Kenny, Dale Roberts. We're all Kenny Roberts today. When you have a two-stroke, you're all Kenny Roberts. Wow, this thing is really whistle clean. I am amazed. Yeah, even when I saw it at the, you know, the gathering.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
It feels great, except that it's...
So what we did, we put a little grease on the oil on the cable. Dale heard a little funny noise coming out of the tachometer, which we don't know now if that's a ticking time bomb or... But we do have extra parts for these bikes, so it's, well, now the trick is, and the best thing is, time to go. Time to smoke up the neighborhood. This is what they really like. Doesn't sound like a two-stroke to me, does it? Now that is one cool bike. One. I didn't think of it. Yeah, but yours isn't a Kenny Roberts. We have real Kenny Roberts bikes. Are you Kenny Roberts? He made me the picture of Kenny Roberts. He took me off the bike and put Kenny. Should have took Kenny off and put me on. What's wrong with you?
I have a video of Kenny Roberts
on the VISIONE
track.
Very cool. Dale, do you have any idea how many hours go into making a gas tank like that?
Oh, jeez.
I don't even want to know. If it's your hours, I don't even want to know. That is sweet, though. One day we were down by the Hudson, we're taking pictures, and Steve wanted to get where you're not supposed to go. They don't stop us here. We start talking to the guy, comes out, looks at the bike. Oh, yeah, go. You guys just go down there, no problem. This is what I like. The thing makes it look like a railroad train. Woo woo!
They should get one of those whistles.
Yeah! You know it was cool, that old car Sunday, that horn he had when he left. Oh! Oh! Very, very cool.
Yeah, I didn't know he had that. He always shows up with an old Chief. It's got it's painted flat black. It's a
yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah, it runs great. It looks like almost like the truck. You know, it's not.
This is always what two strokes do best. Boy, these are not the mileage kings of the universe here. You want to take a ride on that tank? There's some other stuff over there.
Wow.
Yeah, take a break.
That's cool.
How's that road on the way up here?
Awesome.
Nice?
Very nice. Great
When it's
choice.
dry, it's really nice.
Really good choice.
I think that hawk wanted to take it, eat Steve's bike or something. Wow. Yeah, they don't let you in there, but I would like to go in and take a picture of that tank, but I don't think it's going to happen. Thanks a lot. I brought you 2 friends today. You missed your chance. These guys are wealthy guys. Think about it. None of us are working, so we must have a wife home working. Now Dale took the lead. He had seen this in the previous part of the ride. We were going up and down Green Pond Road and Lake Denmark Road, of course. Nice up in the Hibernia area. We stopped at Rockaway for a lunch and bagel and flirt with the girls and everything. But he knew where this place was, so we let him take the lead. And he, to his credit, he found it. This was a road I had never been down before, but we were going to go do a little exploring, and as it worked out, it turned out to be even better than we thought it was. But you would never find us if you didn't know it was at the end of that road. There's no big sign. Now I knew about Black Snake Road, a similar road to this, which starts off being reasonable right by the arsenal, and then it turns into like the surface of the moon. I knew not to go to Black Snake Road, but Dale seemed to know about this, and happy to follow him down here. Dale found this off-the-wall place. I didn't even know it was up there, where they were storing old cars. It was at the end of a long road, almost a dirt road, and they let us in there, but they didn't want us shooting any video, and they were restoring all kind of cool stuff. The guy was super motorcycle friendly, and it's right off Green Pond Road. So as usual, Dale lucked out, and we all lucked out, actually. Had a great day. We went back to the house for some iced tea, hang out, talk about what great lucky we were to have that little show up at that Hibernia place. That was very cool. Boy, we had one spectacular day. You just couldn't imagine it being any better than this. Wow. Every part of the day the weather was great. The ride was about 120 miles if I'm maybe right or wrong. Just perfect twisties. And of course, any day you can ride your two-stroke, it's got to be a good day. No such thing as a bad day riding two-strokes. And for me, it's a very special thing having this bike because Karen bought me the original bike ready for restoration on Valentine's Day 3 years ago. So we have got, I just looked at mileage, just a little over 7,000 miles on it since then. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. This was, in every way you could measure a day, a wonderful day. We had a great lunch at the bagel place. It's Rockaway Bagel on Green Pond Road, and it was really interesting. These three bikes, they were great riding together. They're very similar, and we were having our own little enjoyable ride there. A nice pace, nice and comfortable. And Dale knew about these places. Now, I didn't know about them. That this place where they were restoring cars, that was pretty cool stuff. The guy was even showing us how he did some buffing out and painting on one of the old restored cars. Very friendly. Next time we get to ride with Dale and Steve, I think that's going to be one of the choices. Just go up there and maybe talk to the guy again. And he was very motorcycle friendly. It was a cool place. Again, right off Green Pond Road. And I always think these are the days worth remembering. And for the new people to our channel, and we've got a lot of new subscribers lately, these are some of the adventures we've had that are worth remembering. But the truth is, every day you can get out on a motorcycle, every day you can get some nice cool air in your face. It's worth remembering. Life is good. It's even better when you have a motorcycle, and it's even super good if you have a small, humble collection. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you did, and thank you so much for watching.